going? It's Wednesday, 12:23 a.m., April 20th. Happy 420. Here we have this giant storm coming across the United States, and this is a huge, I call these the wall of death. I've never seen one this thick. If we look at the back side of it, you can see multiple radar HAARP anomalies, if you will. Oh, we're getting a refresh here. Oh good, there's even more. So we can see multiple curvatures in the back of this. One here, another one up here. There's a ton. And it's the whole back side of the storm. If we come down here, we can see them down here. Also out front, we have a ton. So it seems like they're fueling these things pretty hard. And this has to be a different type of radar frequency, because if it was just normal like airport radar, you'd see them all over the map, or cell phone towers, stuff like that. But these things are usually just in like select locations. They show up randomly all the time. Let's go ahead and check out the latest earthquakes that we may have going on. Let's see. Alright, so right now it's 4:07 Universal Time, which is the meridian, the center line. So right now it's 12:25 here on the East Coast, so it's 4 hours time difference from the center, which runs down through Europe. So about an hour ago in Washington State at Mount St. Helens, we had a 2.2. Nevada had a 1.6. Let's see if we got anything big. Oh, here we go. In Arkansas, we got a 2.9. And if you get back to the map, Arkansas is down here, so these circular patterns in the weather could have something to do with that. But if we look out front of this storm, we could see circles out here too. Over here in the center of Pittsburgh. So let's watch and see for the storm to get more violent, especially since the tail end of it has probably 7 or 8 huge circles down the back side of it. See what happens here in the next hour. Back here to the earthquakes real quick. If you just look at the last couple of days, we've had between 1.0s and 4.0s on the magnitude scale all over the center and west coast of the United States. It's all Nevada, Arkansas, which is the New Madrid fault line, I'm pretty sure, California, Washington State. We'll go down to yesterday. There's a ton. The list goes on and on. California and Arkansas and Nevada. Look at that. That's all just yesterday. And you can just see all CAs and NDs, all California, Nevada. This is movement, you know. This can't be ignored. There was a 4.6 in Bermuda about 2 days ago. So don't ignore this stuff. See what happens here with this storm in the next couple hours. Watch for any changes. We're refreshing again. See what it brings us. You just faintly see circles in front and in back. So are they fueling this thing? Are they tightening it up, making it a perfect wave, seeing how they can cover the whole United States with a perfect storm? And I've seen probably 10 of these since the beginning of the year. These are what I call wall of death. See what happens further here, alright?